In a disappointing turn of events for cricket fans and players alike, the highly anticipated T20 warm-up match between England and Pakistan has been abandoned due to inclement weather conditions. The match, which was scheduled to take place at Sophia Gardens in Cardiff, Wales, was poised to be a crucial opportunity for both teams to fine-tune their strategies ahead of the upcoming T20 World Cup. Despite the excitement surrounding the match, Mother Nature had other plans as persistent rain showers played spoilsport, leaving the pitch waterlogged and unfit for play. This unfortunate turn of events not only dampened the spirits of cricket enthusiasts but also dealt a significant blow to the team's preparations for the prestigious tournament. Both England and Pakistan were keen to make the most of this warm-up encounter to assess their strengths and weaknesses, experiment with different player combinations, and adapt to the playing conditions. However, the unrelenting rain dashed their hopes and left them with limited opportunities to gauge their readiness for the challenges ahead. The abandonment of the match raises concerns about the team's preparedness for the T20 World Cup, which is just around the corner. With limited time remaining before the tournament kicks off, the inability to complete crucial warm-up matches could hamper their ability to hit the ground running and hit peak form when it matters most. For England, led by captain Eoin Morgan, and Pakistan, captained by the dynamic Babar Azam, the abandoned warm-up match represents a missed opportunity to build momentum and confidence ahead of the T20 World Cup. Both teams will now have to regroup quickly and make the most of whatever practice sessions and simulations they can arrange in the remaining time. The unpredictability of British weather is a well-known factor in cricket, especially during the early summer months. However, the abandonment of such a high-profile warm-up match serves as a stark reminder of the challenges faced by teams in their quest for glory on the international stage. As disappointed as fans and players may be by the turn of events, safety must always remain the top priority. With rain continuing to play spoilsport, the decision to call off the match was undoubtedly the right one to ensure the well-being of everyone involved. So, the abandonment of the England-Pakistan T20 warm-up match due to rain has thrown a spanner in the works for both teams' preparations for the T20 World Cup. While the weather may have disrupted their plans, both sides will need to adapt quickly and make the most of the remaining time to fine-tune their skills and strategies. As cricket enthusiasts eagerly await the start of the tournament, the hope is that the weather gods will be more forgiving, allowing players to showcase their talents on the biggest stage. Thank you for watching this.